What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stockgoat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick overall summary of SoFi's earnings report for Q3. And what I can tell you is it was a super beat. They absolutely smashed every aspect of the earnings report. We're going to cover the earnings report, look through the highlights, and I'll give you guys, a couple of price targets and, projections of where I think this stock could head. And I'm telling you guys, the stock market takes patience. We've been hammering down on this one the past 3 to 4 months, buying up that dip. And for anybody new to the SoFi stock, what I recommend is do your due diligence. And most importantly, make sure you're inside of this company before 2022, just in case that bank charter approval comes through and SoFi becomes a 100% digital online bank, disrupting a $2 trillion industry. And if you're new to the channel, all I ask for is 3 things. Be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get this video past 1,500 likes for the YouTube algorithm. And be sure to drop a comment. Are you buying SoFi stock tomorrow? What is your price target? And last, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Let's try and get this channel past 10,000 subscribers. I'm telling you, SoFi is going to be a household name. The YouTube channel is growing really fast, and 10,000 subscribers will be a huge milestone. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, we can see SoFi got smashed early on in the day, but it was not just SoFi. The entire market was getting hammered, and it was a very rough day because, today is the day that SoFi reported earnings, so nobody knew what to expect. We were down literally 10% at one point off of no news at all. That's the high volatility in these growth stocks, but you have to diamond hands and buy those dips. And I also did purchase some call options, weeklies, long-term options. You would have got those updates inside of my Patreon. The link is in the comment section. I will also recommend my, top 10 buys week in and week out inside of the Patreon. So be sure to see if the Patreon is a good fit for you. But overall, we did bounce back 12.4% in the after hours. I'm a little bit surprised that SoFi didn't go up to, 20% after hours, but at one point we were up around 15.8%. But, I believe this stock could run the next 3 months. Shorts have to cover. The short interest is around 9%. So massive upside, really no negative catalyst stopping this stock. And also we have a massive catalyst with the bank charter. All right, guys, this is the Q3 2021 summary results. And we could see that SoFi absolutely killed it on members. This was the second highest all-time. They added 377,000 users to the platform. 2.9 million. We almost hit 3 million users. This is 96% growth. And, there's no telling what could happen this next quarter because we get the full NFL season marketing inside of the 3 months. We only had 1 month. And also the TikTok, the Do Your Money Dance marketing campaign, I believe Q4 could be an absolute blowout on user growth. We can see the products are up 108% on the year. SoFi continues to add more products to the platform. 4.2 million products now. Galileo accounts, this is their technology platform, is up 80%. It was a little bit lower. They are growing really fast still. 89 million accounts now. This is absolutely stellar. This is still 80% year over year growth. And, this growth could continue to accelerate. I'm going to have to do more research in Galileo. We can see lending and financial service products. Lending is up 15% year over year. That is the core business, and financial services products are up 179% year over year. Absolutely killing it. And taking a look at quarterly performance, revenue 277 million, absolutely smashed guidance of 245 to 255. They also had quarterly adjusted EBITDA of $10 million, right in line where they wanted to be. So guys, I'm telling you, before you know it, next year SoFi could be banging out $400-500 million quarters. That will literally be half the size of Shopify's revenue, which is a 200 billion market cap company. So we are getting into the big revenue very soon. And we can see here the guidance they put out for Q3 was 245 to 255, and they smashed it with 277. We have the adjusted EBITDA was projected to be -7 to +3 million. We had 10 million. We beat every aspect of guidance. And we have Q4 guidance. This is huge. They are predicting 272 million on the low end, 282 on the high end. I'm hoping SoFi comes out and, just busts through this guidance and, hits, 290 to 300 million. This is right in line where, analysts are, expected to be. That's why we see the stock going up and all these other companies going down, because they're not hitting their outlook, their 2022 guidance or their Q4 guidance. We are hitting our guidance of where we want to be exactly. So guys, these are big revenues coming in. They are raising 2021 guidance. This is what I'm talking about. This is what analysts want to see. Expect big, big upgrades coming in the future. We can see here the revenue is coming revised over a billion. We were at 980 million annual growth, 63%, 31 million adjusted EBITDA. This is looking really solid, guys. There's nothing better than raised guidance on an earnings report. So you guys can see SoFi absolutely obliterated their earnings report. Everything is going to plan just like I said everything was going to happen. We still have the bank charter on the horizon. Understand, upgrades could come in really hot. That's what I just did on a live video. If you search SoFi stock Q3 earnings call, I go over the earnings call live for you. I'm just going over the highlights. We could come in hot. Analyst upgrades could come in over 30 tomorrow, guys. I listened to the analysts speak with Anthony Noto. They were extremely impressed. So once again, my price target 2021 with a bank charter is $30 or higher. With that type of earnings report, with a raised guidance, we could easily see $30 without a bank charter, and my 2022 price target is $55 or higher. So expect the massive upgrades to come in, with Rosenblatt, Mizuho, Morgan Stanley. They were all impressed on this call, guys. So massive upside is heading SoFi's way. Congratulations if you bought the dip. Congratulations if you diamond handed. This is going to be a company you want to hold on to for the next 5 to 10 years. And we've been getting questions on the live feed about the dividends. You can expect SoFi, after their growth investment, to be offering dividends in the next 6 to 7 years is a possibility. So it does take time. This could be a dividend stock money bagger in the next 7 years. So that could give you another reason to hold this stock long term. But guys, massive upside. We just smashed earnings, and there's just a ton of upside in this stock right now. I told you guys it's going to take a little bit of time for the market and investors to get adjusted to the SoFi stock. But right now, in my personal opinion, we just surpassed PayPal, we just surpassed Robinhood, and we just surpassed Square as just a confidence booster in fintech right now. So right now we are in the lead above Square, PayPal, and Robinhood. Okay, that's great upside for us. We just obliterated earnings. Every single one of those companies I just mentioned did miss their earnings reports. And guys, our growth is accelerating. Our guidance is accelerating. It does not get better than that. And we also have a massive catalyst on the horizon. That is a bank charter approval, making SoFi a 100% online digital bank, disrupting the $2 trillion banking industry as a growing fintech. SoFi could be the fastest growing bank stock for the next 10 years to come. These valuations that you're getting in right now could be amazing in the next, 5 years or more. And guys, I just recommend you to get inside of this stock before 2022, because that's when I really think we explode. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.